On this episode of the Moving Diaries, I think we should wheel it in and then flip it that way. Yeah. Oh, whoa. We just moved a couch.
I don't know what just happened.
Oh my god. It's done. Good morning, everybody. Welcome to another moving vlog, moving part 2. This is like our big moving day. It's 11:30, so clearly we were tired from yesterday, even though we didn't do that much. We both slept in and just kind of had like a chill morning, but we're heading over to the storage unit now. We're gonna try to do one load. My friend Leah is gonna hopefully meet us over there. I'm wearing Miss Hannah's merch. It says, "I'm sweating." Hannah, I needed your good moving vibes, so I wore your sweatshirt today. Probably will be sweating this entire day. I also spent this morning texting my girl Scout. She had some creative ideas for the table. My dad and I talked a lot about it last night. If you don't know what we're talking about, go watch the last moving vlog about our little table situation. I'll show you guys when we get to the apartment how things are fitting. We basically have two options. One, to either make a new base to the table and cut off the legs and then have like one center post that it sits on to have more space so the chairs can tuck in so it's smaller, or we get a whole new table. For now, we're just gonna try to throw as much as we can in there while it's not raining today, even though it does look kind of cloudy. It said no rain, so I hope there's no rain.
In my mouth is a desert.
What's our game plan? The worst case scenario, we can do the bins in the rain, but we can't do the other stuff in the rain. So I'm almost like, yeah.
Maybe if we get a couple of these
smaller things we can put in there.
I mean, if we did get a bunch of furniture, we could throw that mattress on top too if we got it that full. If it worked with big
it worked so well when we had the bins and then we did the mattress on top. The mattress would be ideal to move today. So we have to move some of this stuff first.
There's front and back to this thing, right?
Yeah.
So there's a sticker on it.
Yeah, that's
okay, so let's put this down.
Okay.
You got me so high I can't come down. I hope you know that I will never let you go. If all I do is dim your glow and fly on, baby, please just go. Your soul is the ocean and I can't touch the floor. So full of emotion, I can't keep any more. Are we out of time?
We have Leah here, thank God. We're gonna try to fit one more load in the truck. Let's hope it fits. If you move those plastic bags, we could probably grab a bin or two. What's in these? Those are my couch cushions. Enjoy that sound. This one's mother heavy. Like, do we take a couple more and just throw them in your car?
Some of these soft little ones could even fit in the back seat of your
Yeah, we could probably put some stuff in the back seat. What is this?
It's like Christmas.
Oh, this is my Christmas tree in the Roomba. Oh my god, what's his name? Dustin. It's Dustin.
He's important.
He's a first class traveler for sure. I mean, the more we can empty out, then the less other loads we'll have to do. I feel like that's perfect. I'll just be careful about Dustin. First check. Mask up. Let's get out of here.
Under your spell, I can't get out. My heart falls 5 below, and I'm still here. I'm freezing cold, but I will wait. I hold my breath till I turn blue. I hope you know that I
Pretty much loaded up, so let's go to the place. Let's go to the apartment.
if all I do is dim your glow and fly on, baby, please just go. I hope you know.
Look, I'm a videographer. I'm determined to get this. Please put that in the vlog.
The theory will work.
In theory.
And the other things sort of wore out.
Okay.
It's easier.
I think I put it right there.
Yeah.
Oh, is that it?
That's it.
Go. My heart falls 5 below. All I do is dim your glow and fly on, baby, please just go.
Yep. Perfect. See, the chairs don't look terrible now. Another load. I'm already sweating. Did you see my sweatshirt that I'm wearing? It says, I'm sweating. We got another round. This time we use both.
Tell me how it's so far, so good, y'all.
Not break her back. The furniture.
I can't get out of it. I get out of it. All the people in the house. Yeah, you gotta get out. The pretty ladies don't count.
Leah and I feel so strong. Such girl bosses doing this ourselves. Doug had to go to an appointment, so we've been left to our senses. I'm gonna go get the other cart, and then this is gonna go in the closet. I think we should wheel it in and then flip it.
No way.
Yeah. Okay, what do you think we should do? Or we could move the bins out there.
I'll put my foot on the thing.
And then we're gonna tilt it. Okay, wait. We're strong. We can do it. Okay, so we're gonna tilt it up towards you.
Yeah.
Should we move that bin so you have moved your room?
Move to move.
Are we
dyslexic today?
Yes. But then it's gonna hit the wall, so let's pull back a little. And then tilt. Oh yeah, wow. We're so capable.
I was almost an engineer.
Video dismiss.
Little there, and then you do long. You know you can get like a double hanging rack, another rack that hangs from it.
Where are we gonna put the shoes?
On the floor.
Is the shoe rack gonna go in that corner? Like on the bottom there?
I don't know how I feel about that shoe rack.
I know, I definitely needed to get another one of that shoe rack stacked. Like what would I?
Yeah, that gives you like
Nothing, yeah. I definitely need to get a new one. Or another one of it and I stack it right on top. Her mind's thinking.
you can hang all your sweatshirts.
I think I need food. Do you want to like split something?
what?
Like a sandwich or like Thai food or something? This is my bed. Feels so good.
Yeah, too bad we don't have any equipment. We could set it
I
up.
know, I was like, I should have brought the drill. Last night, when I stopped vlogging, my dad and I just sat on this thing with all the lights off. We were just like lying on the floor. I lied on the floor, he was on this thing, and we just were like, wow. It's cool at night, the lights are cool. We were basically like, this is the compromise. You get the small space, there's some issues fitting some stuff, but like, you're here in the city with this cool view, so it's totally worth it. Yeah, there is no like perfect apartment.
Okay, this thing above your toilet, it doesn't feel super sturdy.
Oh, it's like, it doesn't feel that way, but it's actually pretty good.
Okay, the legs are like a little wobbly.
You know what's interesting about this thing is there's a piece that goes at the very base of it that holds it together so the legs aren't wobbly. But my last toilet, it didn't fit around the toilet, so I didn't use it. But it goes, oh, whoa.
Yeah.
Whoa, it was not like that before.
It like does a mean lean.
Yeah, that's like the Leaning Tower of Pisa. Oh my God, what's with the sway?
I don't know. And where the
I
heck
feel like it's loose.
is this like a missing piece?
No, that's the shelf that goes inside.
Okay.
It's so weird. It definitely just needs to be tightened, so I'll figure it out. But it does look good there. It's nice storage. I think I remember one of these pegs popped out and I put it in a drawer or something. There might have been a peg in that dresser. I might have been smart actually for once. I know myself so well.
And you pop up.
Are you hungry? I'm hungry. What are you in the mood for?
I don't know.
That's what you always say.
Where are we?
In a blah blah blah. Don't listen. We got the food. Are you the Hulk? Yeah. Okay.
Oh God.
We got some subs. Leah and I did a little tour around the neighborhood. Okay, let's eat. We're gonna eat. Oh baby, that looks delicious.
So far, so good, y'all.
All we need is the couch. Let's roll.
Let me take a shower afterward that I can't get out of. How can I get out of it all? All the people in the house. Yeah, you gotta get out. The pretty ladies don't count. Y'all know who to get out. Who to get out. When I'm in the mood for a babe. When I'm in the mood for a babe. Boss makes one out. Yeah.
We just moved the couch. Dang. And then I'm gonna put bedside table is gonna go here. This may be, both of those may be able to fit inside. Cushy. We're so close. We did pretty well. Look at this. That's all we're gonna leave left. Maybe this will be like our last trip of the day probably. And we'll do this stuff another day, which half of this isn't even, like this won't fit in my apartment. The chair is gonna go home. So it's really just this white thing, which hopefully will fit in my closet. And that's it. You did really well. All right, let's close her up.
I love that little.
I need to get my hair cut.
Just
Oh.
Watch out, there's a pole right there.
I see the dig in the corner of that thing.
Oh, I dinged it. Oh no, don't fix it. Oh, that sucks. At least yours. The angel. Yellow paint was not enough. So it's not bad.
Hey, whoa, you're going the wrong way, Kiara. Back out.
Oh.
Bring it by the side of the truck here. And you're going to take this edge where your hand is and you're going to put it right out of the plastic frame.
Guarantee, even though it looks sketchy, it's gonna stay. We got a whole thing of bins down there. I mean, that's pretty impressive. We almost could have done it in 3 trips. I can't wait to put it inside. We'll see you guys at the apartment.
He's so familiar. I was drawn by the light. Now it's dark and warm.
Okay, we're going in. Mattress and more bins, baby.
And it's only beholding them fold to the note hole. But tucking your elbows, yeah, we're held in the ozone.
We finally found the cart that they have for us to use. Now we just gotta unload all the stuff. I think a lot of this is my bathroom.
Oh god, it doesn't move. It's just so awkward.
Push me.
I can pull.
Oh my gosh, we're so close. Wait, is that the whole truck? No, it was Leah's car.
No, we have a couple little things left in this car.
The bed slats.
Oh yeah, the bed slats, duh. Wait, maybe we could assemble my bed.
And your nightstand table.
Oh, right. We're gonna assemble the bed. Or not the bed, the couch. Oh wait, is this my AC on right now? Oh, it feels so good. It was getting too hot in here. I was sweating.
So good, though.
You know how I had those hanging lights for my sorority room? But like actually if we hung them from the ceiling and we hung them there and we made the cord go down in the corner. And so it hung over the little chair. Because Doug's like sitting in the dark right now, which is creepy. It's so creepy.
You need an overhead lamp no matter what.
Yeah.
It's just a matter of where it goes, who knows.
But I need
at least one.
See what I mean?
I like to see what I'm eating too. That's
then-
ridiculous. You can't see
And then the couch there, it would like light this up and some of it would go on the couch. So if you were facing there, you had a book and your head's at this end of the couch, you could have light on the book and see the pretty view too.
Like if I got a ball light right
standing
here,
light
standing
in
there,
between the couch and the
and
table.
then
Yeah, I think
hanging
you may be
lights
right, Leah.
over the chair.
Yeah.
Yeah, so then you get the 2 corners.
Are we going to IKEA to get one of those ones?
I have
Summer
2
blowouts.
lights. Yoo-hoo! Big summer blowout! We're gonna work on our creativity and then maybe we'll set up the bed.
No rug in the room?
No. My bedroom had no rug last time and I liked it.
You don't mind?
And then Dustin, the Roomba, can go underneath it.
God.
And he really gets in there and gets all the
I
dust
think you
bunnies.
and Doug need to have a Roomba
Sponsorship.
infomercial. An infomercial.
If you're watching this, Roomba, can you please send us a Roomba to give to Leah?
Sponsor people, do they?
I don't
I've never
know.
seen one.
Maybe on Instagram. Roomba, I'd love to work with you. That's an accurate depiction of how we're feeling. We're gonna try to put the bed together. Leah did not sleep well.
Today was leg day, but every day is half day. And we went surfing today. You did.
You wanna see my bruise from the move yesterday? Look at my knee. Isn't that huge? Maybe we should lean the mattress against the wall so it's out of our way.
There we go.
Okay, now we're back. It's so heavy. Oh my god, see, this thing is... How is your food skin like that?
I don't know. Oh my god. That was wild. I didn't think I could do it.
But this thing is heavy.
My arms. I have short little arms. I don't know how that. How did they do that? I don't know what just happened.
Is that the size or is that too small?
It works.
Yeah. Wait, look at this. He's cut it down already. She can be done before you, Karen.
I'll give you mine. Mine's longer, so it's easy.
Does it need to wiggle this way that way a little bit to get it right in there to get it started?
But I feel it. It's working. This is working.
Don't tighten yours too much, Kiara, or Leah will never get hers in.
Oh, is it this bottom one that's the pain? Yeah. I will say this is way easier than the IKEA bed.
Oh, I know the thing. Here it is. I see how they did this thing out. Now we're going to identify the problem, Leah. This is about slightly rotated, I think.
Oh, that's it.
Okay, now we'll go right back.
Basically, this was hitting, it wasn't, we couldn't even screw in. And now that these little black pieces are aligned, it can go straight. Go, Doug, go.
Go, Doug, go! You believe that there's people on the world that like don't know how to use this little tool? Or like what?
There's no way people are. You know what? If you don't know how to use an Allen, you clearly have never built anything from IKEA. That's all I have to say.
Is Leah in?
Wait, Leah's not in yet.
Leah's not in? Okay. Yep.
And then
Pull the bottom of that foot out a little, Kiara.
Mine?
Why is it your side?
Okay, they kind of are supposed to do it at the same time.
Yeah, they
So
are.
You ready to this?
She's almost
You're
there.
looking close. You're looking close.
Yep. Oh,
Then
she's in.
pop it.
Then, my favorite part, the slats. The slats and the drill.
You know, with those IKEA beds, they just lay on top.
IKEA beds don't come with
Remember
slats.
buying the whole frame from IKEA,
You
the
have
whole
to-
thing,
you have
and they
to-
didn't tell us you needed the cross slats. So we're at Home Depot buying all this
You
wood
need
to
them
cut things.
separately, but they don't warn you.
And you get halfway through the directions in another town, then you read them and go, oh, I was supposed to have these other parts.
And then it will cost you almost $80 just to buy wood to make your own slats.
Yeah, the clutch set correctly?
Oh, no,
Strip
I
them?
gotta. Is it, what do you mean I don't strip them?
Well, there's a clutch on that thing.
What is that?
Tension. See, that's some power that'll strip the threads. That's because it's on drill.
I didn't know there was a difference.
If you put it like this,
Three.
yeah. There you go, a little more.
What's 1? 5?
Go a little bit more that way. Feel how much tension you put it. See what
Oh, and then if I go up to like...
bigger, and then it'll
9?
strip them, yeah.
Oh, yeah. Whoa, I didn't know you could change that. So I should go up 5, 4?
3.
3?
3.5. 3.5.
This is 4.
Drive it in until the drill starts. The clutch of the drill does the clicking. Hold it,
Oh.
put pressure straight down.
Amazing! Beautiful. Woo!
You can be fast, you know what I mean? Then you Leah drops in the hole and you do the drilling.
When I had a thing that let me take a shower afterward that I can't get out of. How can I get out of it all? All the people in the house. Yeah, you gotta get out. Them pretty ladies don't count.
Feels so good. Okay, now I just gotta find my sheets. I think I know where they are. I found the sheets. This is exciting. I just feel like if my bed's made, then my life is put together. I miss these sheets. I miss my bedding.
We can go far. So far, so good. Ooh, 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 it tastes like milk.
I'm gonna have to like crawl in this thing. Hard. Okay, I'm gonna have to go inside.
Said I just can't stop talking. But meanwhile, you know it all.
Oh my god, it's done.
Did Leah drop a quarter on it without?
Actually, yeah, it's a little wrinkled, but it's pretty good. We're gonna end the vlog for tonight here. Thank you, shout out to Leah, the queen of organizing and helping. Give this video a thumbs up for all the moving things. Honestly, good day. Almost better than yesterday because the table and chairs kind of fit. We just have to solve the lighting problem and organize things now. Today's question of the day is going to be, what did you guys ask for Christmas or the holidays? I don't know, I'm curious. I want to know what everyone asked for. I love you guys so crazy much. Follow me on Instagram at Kiara Madisen. I post tons of moving updates and behind the scenes on there. So if you're not following me, go check it out. Bye.
I only worry that I'm crazy. 'Cause if it's all true, well, it's all true. I mean, you know I ain't lying.